peanuts. So first, we need to open the dark chocolate. You can use any chocolate. We're using dark chocolate. So and put it into a bowl. Then you melt it. So now we've melted the chocolate. So let's see the next step, which is to mix some peanut butter in. Chocolate peanuts. You can use normal peanuts too, but now we need to put these in the blender. So after we grind this, we're going to mix it into that chocolate, and then we're going to put it into molds, and then it's going to be ready. So now we're going to put these ground chocolate peanuts in, but not all of them because we need some for garnishing later. Chocolates. So that the chocolate solidifies and it becomes amazingly tasty.